Okay, we're on day 3 of trying to get the golf run. So I found out just before I left, day 2, whatever day it was, losing track. I pulled a plug out and it was wet. So I know I'm getting fuel, I know I'm getting air, so the only thing left is spark. So I've pulled 2 plugs out and for some reason didn't think of recording to show you. So I will pull out plug number 3 and show you just what they're like. Can you see how wet that is? It smells of petrol as well, so which is probably a good thing. And if I, there you go. That is the state of the spark plugs. Not good. So I've got new plugs to go in. So I shall chuck them in. If I can find a spark plug tester, which is in my toolbox, I will shove them down the hole and probably if I put the ignition on, then use a power probe on the starter motor because it's just there, easy enough for me to reach. I should be able to see if they're sparking. If I do get to that point, I shall show you, but for now I'm going to pull these plugs out, clean the bores out, spray a bit of brake cleaner down there to clean all the oil up, and then chuck a rag down each borehole. I'll probably maybe just lay them across, and crank the engine over, and all the brake cleaner and gunk and stuff should come out, get collected by the rag. That's all done. These plugs looked rather old anyway. They're a bit burnt down the bottom of the ceramic there. Yeah, black as, so pretty good thing we'll change them anyway. I did, however, in looking for my spark plug testers, which I couldn't find, I think I may have shown them being used in one of the videos on the Morris anyway, so they must be at home. But in looking for them, I did find another ECU, and this one has got some writing on it. So if you can make that in the camera in yellow and a bit of white there. Now the ECU that I'm looking for was given to me by a friend who has had it remapped and then the immobilizer taken off. I think that's what the white writing must be for, so don't know. I don't want to jinx it, but let's give this another go. Let's chuck the ignition on, immobilizer, and I'm not holding out much hope. Fuel pump, forgot the fuel pump. Okay, let's try again. Fuel pump's running, let it prime a bit. Just realised I unplugged the injectors and I cranked the engine over to get rid of the brake cleaner. Such a nerve-wracking time starting an engine. You forget things like this. Right, have I forgotten anything else? No, coil packs are all plugged in, they're all pushed in. Yeah. Let's try again. Trying. Yeah, I'm not sure it's getting any spark. Okay, all right, that's fine. We can, let's do some more testing. I don't know where. Yeah, okay. All right, I'll keep looking and I'll come back to you in a mo. Hey, she runs, finally. So, biggest problem I've had is this plug. I didn't actually realise, this is on the engine loom. I didn't realise that I think goes to a fuse box. So there's some ignition lives, there's some grounds in there. I have temporarily This is what these wires here are for. They're temporarily just hooked straight up to the battery, just so I can test it all. As you've seen, it does work. It sounds like there's an exhaust blow because I've taken off the I think it's EGR on the back there, but I haven't put a blanking plate on. I've ordered one from Amazon. Put a link in the description below if you need one by any chance. And that's coming in a couple of days' time. So yeah, I think the next thing I need to do is get all this wiring here out, figure out, put it into the lights and the radiator and stuff, figure out what wires I don't need. I can then cut them out, and then it's a case of tidying all the wiring up. I've got no throttle at the moment, so I need to check my wiring going up into the ECU. But yeah, happy days. It's taken a lot longer than I expected. I know this isn't a popular car on my channel, but for those of you who do enjoy it, please do give it a like, and I will keep uploading more of this. It is a future classic, I think. You look at the price of Mark 1 and Mark 2 Golfs, and I don't know, hopefully the Mark 3 will follow suit in the future. But I just like the cars, to be honest. This is the second one I've had, and just needed more power. But yeah, if you haven't done already, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment if, like I say, if you're interested in it or anything you want to say, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.